So I want to share a little story with you guys. I was on the plane from Dublin to Madrid on part of the Futur Euro tour, and I was thinking, man, I really wish I could teach people what my thought process is like when I'm confronting a client or when we're in those role play situations where people try to throw all kinds of objections at me. This course will teach you a way to respond to just about any objection that clients are going to throw at you, including some of the most common ones. For example, why should I hire you? Most of us are going to start scrambling right now, and we're going to start to justify, we're going to start to sell, we're going to start to pitch. But the thing that I offer up to you is to invert the question upon the client and ask them the very thing that they're asking you. Well, why are you hiring me? I have no idea why you should hire me. And allow them to say, I'm looking at you because I like the work that I see, or you come highly recommended. So this is a fundamentally different way of talking to clients. You're using the Socratic approach, which is a question-based form of getting somebody else to come to the same realization as you. This class consists of 140 minutes of video of me teaching the Socratic 6, which is a framework I've developed that allows you to respond to just about any objection that the client's going to bring up. The main reason why I created this course and the reason why I feel it's so important to share with you is because I'm tired of creative people ceding the higher ground because the clients hold all the power, or so you think. What we need to do to learn as creatives is to learn to speak the language of business, and in doing so, you'll recapture the higher ground and be able to charge more and not have to make the concessions that you normally have to make on price, on deliverables, or on time. The business bootcamp that we launched recently sold for $4,000, and we don't want to force you to take the entire class if really what you're struggling with is overcoming objections in the buy-sell cycle. So we decided to separate out this particular module and offer it to you so you can just take this one class and learn key strategies on how to overcome objections from the clients.